Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra headlight. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Having the correct replacement bulb on hand is crucial, so double-check your car's manual for the right type before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that old bulb out. Pop open your hood and find the headlight assembly. You'll see two 10 mm bolts on top. Use your socket wrench to unscrew them. Once those are loose, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This gives you enough space to reach the back of the unit and access the bulb without much struggle. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Twist the old bulb's connector counterclockwise to detach it from the housing. When handling the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Gently insert the new bulb, then twist its connector clockwise until it's firmly secured. You're almost done. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its slot, making sure it aligns properly. Retighten those two 10 mm bolts you removed earlier to secure the assembly firmly. Before closing the hood, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This ensures your vehicle is safe and ready to go.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.